seryoso. Seryoso. Parang tanga. Mahal ka. Mahal kita eh. Huwag mo pare.
Sabihan mo. You tell her, bro. Ibuhos mo yung puso mo.
Gusto mo spelling ko. Gusto mo spelling ko.
Pakinggan nyo. In English.
Hindi sila makapasok.
Pasok, malamig yan sa loob.
Sabihin mo.
Video mo yan?
Sabihin mo.
Mahal kita na eh.
Bakit mo ako pinagpalit sa kay Mickey na backstabber si Mickey?
Backstabber.
Sabihin mo pare yung...
Sabihin mo pa! Ilabas mo pare, ilabas mo.
Ihin mo yan, Henry. Ihin mo lang.
Seryoso ka.
Henry, magkape
Hey,
ka.
shut the fuck up! Hey, let the man talk. You gonna say something?
Yeah.
You fucking balls up and you say it.
You said
Right on. Amen!
In English.
Out loud.
In English.
I love you, Zari.
Pare seryoso pare. Tinitingnan ka.
Lahat na yan.
Pare.
Sorry, that's
Hindi.
alright.
Sige na, Henry.
I have your back, man. I have your back.
Hey,
Have your
don't
back.
listen to them. You say, if you love her, you tell her.
I really
Yeah.
love you.
You're my friend.
I know.
Sabihin mo seryoso, bro.
Walang papel dito.
Ang dilim eh. Pwede ba Bel, pakibukas yung ilaw? Hindi makita ng camera. Bel, pabukas yung ilaw.
Hindi, pare. With respect to the rin. Kasi nga, tigil na daw.
Hindi pare.
Sige na, Henry. Tol, friend kita. Tumigil na tayo. He said it.
Thank you.
No, I can say what.
Reaction, please.
So ano, wala lang? Ganun lang?
Para kayong gago.
Hindi nga, wala lang, ganun lang yun. Matsake!
Yun mali.
Aray, naku.
Gago.
Uy, bata ko!
Hindi, siya na pumilit.
Na-offend ako.
Sinastop. Pare, ilang beses ko pinigilan.
Pare taga-video lang ako. Huwag niyo akong damay dyan.
Pinigilan ko.
You are.
I'm really not.
I am. I feel offended.
I'm sorry.
Like, you know.
Hey, don't get mad. I'm sorry. That's how he
I'm not mad
feels.
at you.
Hey,
I'm not mad at you.
look.
Like,
That's how
I
he
feel
feels.
like they're all ganging up